Lesson 10.7, multiplying and dividing rationals. This is level 3. The only thing really different is that we'll have 3 things getting multiplied or divided, and maybe not. I was thinking there were going to be the slide and divide trinomials, but actually I don't see any. But there will be more GCF. So let's try it. Remember, we're factoring everything so that we definitely, because we definitely don't want to FOIL all these things out. That would be awful. And so the first numerator, I'm going to take out a 4x. So I would have times 5 minus x. And then on the denominator, take out a 2x. So that would be times an x plus 1 times, this is a difference of squares, that'd be x plus 10 times x minus 10 over x plus 10. Then change to multiplication, flip this, so this x squared minus 1 will be x plus 1 times x minus 1 over, take out a 2. I might do it here, so I save room. It'd be an x squared minus 11x plus 10. And so I'm factoring that trinomial. I need 2 numbers to multiply to make a positive that add to make a negative. That's going to have to be a negative times a negative, so they're adding to make 11. That'd be 10 and 1. Okay, so the fun part of canceling, just want to make sure I didn't mess up them. Okay, x plus 10s, x plus 1s, x minus 1. So again, anything top to bottom can cancel. Did I cancel the wrong thing? Yeah, that's an x minus 10. I'm sorry, an x plus 10. Okay, so again, you could go on and cancel now, or I like to go ahead and just write it out and see what's left. 2x times 2 would be 4x. So actually these 4x's will divide out, and you're left with only 5 minus x. It's kind of satisfying. All right, and number 2, our x squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. We'll have x plus 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 2 over, factor the bottom. What multiplies to make negative 8 that adds to make negative 2 is negative 4 plus 2. And then the last one, that's a difference of squares. Make sure you keep it in the same order. So we want to make 16 first. That would be 4 times 4. One's a plus, one's a minus, x times x over 9x. Okay, so I've got x plus 2's cancel. X plus 4 and 4 plus x, those are the same thing. Addition, the order definitely does not matter. I can't cancel out these because they're both on the bottom. But what I can do is see how this is 4 minus x and this is x minus 4. Look at the difference in those two things. See how they're complete opposite, where this 4 is positive, this 4 is negative, where x is negative, this x is positive. What if I were to take one of these times a negative 1? Would that make it match this? That would be now negative 4. That would be now positive x. See how they're exactly the same, where now the 4's are negative and the x's are positive? So as long as they're exactly the same, or I should say exactly the opposite, you can also divide these, but they don't just make a 1, they make a negative 1. Okay, so on the top, all I have left is negative 6 times negative 1, that's 6, over 9x times x minus 4. And so I can reduce my 6/9. I'm going to divide out a 3. That'd be 2/3. So 2 all over 3 times x minus 4 would be your answer. And again, you could distribute the 3 if you wanted to.